Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Play Store history on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Play Store, and after that, we're going to go to the Play Store setting. Click on this profile icon and then select the settings. Okay, in the setting, go to the general setting, and you are going to open the account and device preferences. All right, and here we need to scroll down until we find history menu, and if you want to clear your history, you can click on this option, clear device search history. Just tap on it and click on clear history, and you can also clear the wish list if you want. Just tap on the option and select clear. Okay, and I guess that's all the way to remove Google Play Store history in Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.